Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your phone and account. Install Authy from the official App Store and allow camera and notifications so you can scan QR codes and receive codes. Once done, open Authy and register with your phone number. That links the app to your account for two-factor tokens. Make sure to enable account backup or multi-device now so you can recover tokens later. This initial step prevents lockout and simplifies adding services immediately after. Next, add each online account to Authy. In the site security or two-step settings, choose the Authenticator app option and display the QR code. Then open Authy, tap Add Account, and scan the QR. Optionally type the manual key if scanning fails. You must label each entry so you can identify accounts quickly. After scanning, enter the 6-digit code from Authy into the website's verification field to confirm. Repeat for every account before you exit to ensure all tokens work. To finish, enable Authy backups and, if desired, multi-device support so you can access tokens on another device. Save the backup password and any service backup codes in a secure place. These are your recovery options. Test signing into at least one service to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, first ensure your phone's time is set to automatic. Wrong time breaks codes. If problems persist, reinstall Authy and restore from your backup. That usually resolves missing or invalid token issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.